Tell you, these tunnels are amazing though, aren't they? Saying Nuremberg, it says never been. If you check out this is actually roadworks at the moment. And we've been riding through this for the last 10 minutes. No traffic cones. Nowhere. Not a single traffic cone. It's amazing, eh? Now, as you can see, we've got a road building project going on here, but there's no traffic cones. Willie and I have passed through quite a few sets of roadworks on the Autobahn and in local towns and villages, and we haven't seen one single traffic cone. Now if this was the UK, it would just be a sea of traffic cones, absolutely littered. It's amazing how two countries can do things totally different. One gets it right, one gets it wrong. Let you decide what one's wrong. The amount of road building projects as well that we've seen, it's unbelievable. And then you've got Wales in the UK saying that they're building no more roads. I mean, what's the UK all about? that they're trying to self-destruct. That's what it looks like to me. Anyway, we're not here to rant, we're here to enjoy ourselves. So let's crack on and munch up more miles. Talking about miles, or kilometres, Wally, how many Ks have we got left? About 600 kilometres. Yeah, that's probably about right. So we've still got about 600 kilometres to go until we get to my mate Dave's in Austria. So let's munch up the miles. Yeah. They're all just sitting there quite happy in their God knows how many kilometre long queue that they're stuck in. Oh, well, I can't even see the back yet. Well, it's moving now, so I don't know what the queue is. But our lane hasn't really slowed down at all. Wonder if it's been a road traffic collision. I see him, but he'll have to come back in because his lane's blocked. Yeah, it's probably a road traffic collision. Ah, it is a road traffic collision. There's cars. Oh no, they're on the back of a trailer. Oh, maybe I think so, aye. Or it's a broken down truck. Well, that's that clear. Well, we're still in Germany and we're stuck in traffic again. But yeah, we can't filter. Well, I don't think we can filter. But it's like this, it's stop start, but you're only stopped for about 30 seconds, a minute at a time. But what I am impressed with here is the road network. It's really good. Even through the roadworks it moves generally, but just every now and again we're getting these little hold-ups, which is no hardship really. At least it's not raining, that's for sure. So we'll just crack on, keep heading for Austria. Well, that's us approaching the border. We'll soon be in Austria, but I think we're going to have to buy a vignette to use the roads, or the tolls. I think we'll just buy it at the kiosk, Willie. No? Motorway services. Oh aye, vignette. Here, the things there, Willie. That's them there.